You want popcorn, huh? You went to your bed. That's good to go to your bed. Yes. You want more popcorn? You gotta go to your bed.
I used to work in the bakery department, and I used to work right in the bakery department, and they switched me to frozen foods, and I was freezing all day. My nipples were so hard on these aprons.
Go to your bed. Yes. Good girl. Good. Go to your bed. Yes. Go to your bed. Lay down. Good girl. I'm just going to give her an extra minute in between so that she doesn't jump over on the couch again. Go to your bed. Yes. Can you go to your bed? Yes. Very nice. No work for popcorn. Cheap, mostly healthy. Off. Go to your bed. Yes. Good girl. Off. Ow. Go to your bed. Yes. Good girl. I'm just waiting for her to back up. I'm literally like watching the commercial of the TV, but that way I can kind of watch her at the same time.